Hearty welcome to e-learning online course on designing e-resources by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Hearty welcome to all the participants of Batch 5 of Raipur region. Let us have a quick look at the course content. Managing files and folders. All the teachers will be preparing material for the children to teach in the class, but you have to manage them in a proper way so that you can save it and you can share it with the children. Introduction to MS Word, as MS Word is being used for preparing handouts and question papers. Preparing PowerPoint presentation with narrations and converting the same to video. Normally, all of us will be preparing PowerPoint presentation and we will be using it in the classroom teaching. But if the PowerPoint presentation is added with some narrations, that is with your own words of explanation, it will be highly useful to the children, and the same can be converted into a video. Now, if you have done a video, then how to upload it in a YouTube channel so that you can share it with the children very easily. Then preparing online quiz. This actually it is a kind of assessment which is a very effective assessment. But if it is an online quiz, the children can do it in their mobile or in their iPad, and in the computer they can do. And preparing interactive worksheets using free open software. These interactive worksheets can be used in your online teaching also, and you can give it as a homework to the children, that interactive worksheets using free open software. Then storing and sharing the resources prepared. It is very important. Whatever you have made, you have to share it, store it in a particular place. And documenting all content online through a blogger. All the item which you have prepared, you can put it in a blogger so that you can share it with the children very quickly. Well, these are the course content. The contents of the course is shared through a dedicated URL for training of Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers in Yaksh platform. The URL is created by FOSSWE, Free, Libre and Open Source Software for Education, a project team of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. We sincerely thank the team for creating an URL and allowing our Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers to use it for training. The self-training contents of the course are presented in the Yaksh platform in the form of videos. You have to log in to this website https://kvsz@trg.fosse.in, not yaksh.fosse.in. Please be careful. You have to log in to kvsz@trg.fosse.in. You have to register there, and the course content are available at this URL only. Let us start. What you have to do? Go to that website kvsz@trg.fosse.in. Please go to the website kvsz@trg.fosse.in. You will get this login page. First time you have to register. After that you can log in with your username and password. Click new user sign up. Now a registration page opens where you have to give your username, your email ID, your password. You have to select a password for this Yaksh platform only. Confirm your password. Give your first name. Give your last name. Your roll number. You can select your employee code as your roll number. The institute, you write the name of your KV. In the department, you write KVS, and in position, you give your designation. Okay, now username, I will take it as participant batch 5. Okay, email ID, I have taken this email ID now. The password, I'm selecting a password. I'm confirming the password. Okay, the first name, I'm giving my name, no issue. The roll number, I am giving my employee code. You have to give your employee code. Okay. Now Once again I repeat, in the institute you write the name of your KV. Name of your KV. Your name of your KV. And in the department you write KVS or Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan. And in position you write your designation. I repeat once again, select a username which is very easy for you to remember. Give a valid email ID. Select a password. This password is only for this X platform. And again confirm the password and give your first name, your last name. Write your employee code as the roll number. In this institute, please write the name of your KV. For example, KV number 2 Raipur or KV whatever the KV which you belong to. Then in that department you write KVS. Here you write the designation. For example, PRT, TGT Max, TGT Science, like that. And then simply register. I think password, there is a problem. I will make it once again. Think for me, it tells that the password doesn't match. Maybe some mistake. Okay, let me register. So what happened? I don't know. Okay, well, I am registering now. You can save this also. You can save this password also. You see, the activation link is sent to a registered mail. Please activate the link within 20 minutes. I'm coming back. You see, I got a mail, webmaster X email verification. Click it. To activate your account, verify your email ID, please click the following link. You have to click the following link. Okay, now your account is activated. Your account is activated. Then after that, click home. Okay, now you have not enrolled for any course now. Please ignore this X demo course. Please ignore X demo course. In that code, you type RAIPUR 5. I repeat, in that search box, type RAIPUR 5 and then search. It will take you to online course on designing e-resources, Raipur batch 5. For that course, you are being deputed by your region. Click enroll. Now you have been enrolled. Now again 2 courses are coming. Be careful. Don't start or enroll for X demo course. Click start. Now you have entered now online course on designing e-resources Raipur batch 5. Click start. Now you can see all these lessons in the left hand side. All these lessons in the left hand side. And this is the introduction. You can click it to make it into a full page. Okay. Now you read it. Some introduction is given. Then you have to click start to go to the next lesson. You see, first lesson started. In every lesson, I think I told you that you can make it full page. Every lesson, some introduction is given, followed by a video. You watch the video. Welcome to the e-learning. Okay, you watch the video. Remember, quiz and assignments is based on these videos only. Okay. For the first day, you will get quiz and assignment on first 3 videos. The next day, the next 3 videos. The next day, the next 3 videos, like that. You will be asked to submit 9 quiz and assignments based on these videos only. For please watch these videos carefully. Well, now another interesting thing or important thing which you have to note down. For example, I have watched the lesson number 1. Now after this I can click this next. It goes to lesson number 2. You see it going to lesson number 2. I can watch this. But remember, some of you may be trying to jump. For example, instead of going to 2, I can go and click this introduction to hot potatoes. It will tell you that you have not completed previous lesson. You have to go back. I repeat, you cannot jump. If you want to see the third one, you should have seen 1 and 2. If you want to see the 5th one, you can see only after seeing the 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to go in order. Please don't try to see all the videos on a single day. You are given maximum 9 days or more than 9 days or 10 days to watch these videos and answer the quiz and assignments based on maximum 3 videos. Therefore, please watch the videos leisurely, learn the things and do the assignment carefully and submit. Your quiz and assignment you have to submit in a Google form. The Google form to submit the quiz and assignment will be sent to your email ID and WhatsApp. The schedule of quiz and assignments will be shared with you shortly. If you have any doubt or any confusion in viewing the content of this X platform or any doubt in any of the content, you can call us. Thank you friends. Happy learning.